Take a balloon and inflate it. After inflating, tie the balloon. Now, take a thread. Wrap the thread around the balloon and tie a good strong knot. Now, take a ring magnet and put the thread inside the ring magnet and tie 2 knots. Put the balloon and the ring magnet inside the bottle. Take 2 water bottles, first one for the experiment and second one for pouring the water inside the bottle. Now pour the water from the second bottle. Apply pressure on the water bottle. Add a ring magnet. Apply pressure on the water bottle. Add one more ring magnet. Apply the pressure on the water bottle. Add another ring magnet. Apply pressure on the water bottle. Here the balloon is sinking, so our experiment is successful. Density. So, why are we discussing about density? As you must have seen the experiment, it was completely based on density. Density is the mass of an object per unit volume. It determines where an object will float or sink in a fluid.